Are you a businessman? Are you a salesman of your company? Are you part of the sales team? Are you doing something which involves communication with people and you just need to sell in order to make money? In short, salesman, sales job. I have a very good news for all of you because the book which I'm going to talk about is going to ease you off and also take your business and sales pitches or sales numbers to 5x or 10x, maybe more if you work hard enough. So hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel. Mera namaste aap sabhi ko. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So today I'm going to share with you this amazing book and its 5 laws of stratospheric success. The Go-Giver by Bob Burg and John David Mann. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So guys, before we get into the book and understand what these laws are and what this book is storing for all of us, which will take your business to another level, let me talk about the amazing people who wrote this amazing book, Bob Burg and John David Mann. So I'll go one by one. First, who is Bob Burg? Bob is an advocate, supporter and defender of free enterprise system and who believes that the amount of money one makes is directly proportional to the people they serve. And it's simply put, the more people you serve, the more money you make. Let's not get into it, but understand what Bob Burg is all about. And he's also an unapologetic fanatic animal lover. Like he's a thought speaker and a leadership, and he's talked about sales and done many conferences. Like crazy, he has helped more than 10,000 people across globe to take their sales to another level and even sell at a higher price, which they were used to sell before. And on top of that, the American Management Association has named Bob as 30 most influential leaders in the world, and he's among the 100 Inc. speakers list. Like, don't you think it's amazing? Now, let's talk about John David Mann. John has been writing about leadership, business, and success for more than 30 years now. In his high school days, he used to lead a group of people where he ended up making his own high school. Guys, this is something crazy. Just imagine high school and he has created his own high school. And it's amazing. I like that. Go deep into and understand how it did it because once when I read about it, I was totally blown away. I was so inspired to read a book written by someone like him. Like amazing. Like John is also an award-winning author and he has won several awards, including Nautilus Award and the Axiom Business Award, which is a gold medal. This is amazing, guys. And as you already know, this book has been written by combined effort of Bob Burg and John David Mann. So this is pretty much about the author, guys, and I hope you guys are inspired and now you know what gave them the right to write this amazing book. So now let's deep dive into the book and see what this book has in store for all of us. Guys, The Go-Giver is an amazing fable about a young man, Joe. And before I get into it, let me give you a good news. Here, Joe is a salesman of a company. And like after learning these 5 laws of stratospheric success, he propelled himself to a phenomenal success and ended up having his own business in partnership with many people. Guys, salesman of a company and then ended up as the owner of his own business. Don't you think it's amazing? And how did he do that? He did it exactly the way these 5 laws told him to do it. And of course, not 5 laws have told him, but Pindar told him, his mentor in the book. And let me tell you guys, he was introduced to Pindar by somebody whom you will never expect anyone in real life to do that. Like, you can expect 1 in 100 of those kind of people can do that, but not everyone. 99% of the time, it doesn't work that way. So you have to find out who is that person who introduced Joe to Pindar. So now let's deep dive and understand the 5 laws of stratospheric success. The first one in the list is the law of value. Your true worth is determined by how much more you give in value than you take in payment. Like, if I have to keep it in simple words, it's like your net worth is directly proportional to the people you serve. If you remember the line I said before. And how does it? Before you sell anything or share anything with anyone, you need to ask these 2 questions. And these 2 questions, I believe, is the most important one after I was introduced to this book. And those 2 questions are: does it add value to people's life? If the answer is yes, then ask the second question: can it make money for you? If the answer is yes, then go ahead and give to people. Give real values to people which will enhance and empower their life. Forget about profits for a second. Just add value, bring smile to their faces. Because even I have learned something in my entrepreneurial journey, and that's the more you give, the profits will follow, the money will follow. It's just your intent should be right, the way you're giving should be right. Just give. Focus on giving and adding value to people's life and see the magic happen. So that's the first value for you. The second law is the law of compensation. Your income is determined by how many people you serve and how well you serve them. Like, this is already a no-brainer because the statement says it all. And if you look around yourself and all the entrepreneurs and all the businessmen, there is one thing in common among every businessman and entrepreneur, and that's they give solution to the problem. They serve their customer, their people, their acquaintances, and the income, maybe passive income or residual income, flow in their bank account. And just imagine you are serving people and at the same time you're making money out of it. How does that sound to you? Amazing, right? So add value, guys. Serve more people as much as you can. It doesn't matter if you don't make money out of it initial stage, but gradually you will start making more money because he is watching, the universe is watching, the God is watching. Just keep your intent right and add value. The third law is the law of influence. Your influence is determined by how abundantly you place other people's interest first. Like, have you ever been in a situation where somebody has done something you might not have expected them to do it, but anyhow they did it? It can be a stranger, of course, because known people, they tend to avoid the problems. Because people love when someone go and travel that extra mile for them. Do it, guys. Go, take a stand, take a step forward and help people. Help as many people as you can, and you will fetch crazy results. And how you can help? By keeping their interest first. After that, you can keep yours. Because look around yourself. Whoever are leaders and influencers, they keep the people's interest first. Like, in short, serve people. The fourth law is the law of authenticity. The most valuable gift you have to offer is yourself. Like, authenticity, you already know the meaning of it. Be authentic, guys. Speak the truth. Be yourself. Don't pretend in front of anyone. And most importantly, be with people when they need you the most. If you are there with people when they need you the most, it makes a lasting impact on them in their mind. And they have a lot of respect for you. So be authentic. Express yourself the way you are and don't pretend. Just for the sake of making anyone happy. That can be for short term, but in long run, your authentic self will make more sense. So be authentic. The final law is the law of receptivity. The key to effective giving is to stay open to receiving. Like, restraining yourself from receiving is the biggest obstacle or hurdle when it comes to giving, because if you will not have abundance, if you don't have the money, if you don't have the resources for yourself, then you only think how you're going to give to people. Like, it's makes sense, right? You need to be open to receiving. If you're not open to receiving, then you can't give to people. You should be open to receiving. The more you receive, the more you can give. The more you receive, the more you can give. The more you can give, the more you are open to receive. It's a universal law. So, guys, be ready to receive always. I know you guys are amazing, full of heart, and want to help people. But at the same time, you need to be open your both arms and say, I'm ready to receive. I want you guys to do this with me. Say, I'm ready to receive. Affirm below in the comment section. This will make a lasting impact on your subconscious mind. And not only lasting impact, but it will register in your subconscious mind that you are open to receive. So, guys, this is about the book today, and I know you must be blown away right now because even I was. I was like, wow, how simple these laws are, and these 5 laws of stratospheric success is amazing. I recommend you guys to buy one, and I'm sure you are already pumped up and must be ordering now from the Amazon itself. Guys, get this one and read through it. It will definitely help you and understand the core principles one should have. And this book is being compiled a fable of multiple resources. So the stories being shared is amazing. So thank you so much guys for watching my video and tuning into that. I hope I was able to add value. If you guys feel the same, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section where you guys are tuning from. It's amazing to know people globally. So I'll see you next week again with a smashing video. Till then, mera namaste aap sabhi.